Assalamu alaikum class 3. Welcome to your English lesson. This is the lesson unit 6, that is what is the universe. In this unit you learn a lot about the universe, that how star shines and what is the universe, what are galaxies, and why does sun look bigger than other stars. And also we have read about what are planets. So our today's topic is how do the planets move. Yes, we all know that planets move around the sun, but what is the movement of planets? In this unit we'll get the answer. Planets move in two ways. They all move around the sun. It takes 1 year for our Earth to go all the way around the sun. Planets also spin like a top. Do you look at this? For example, is this a planet? And it is moving around the sun. It is also moving around its axis as well, like this. Okay? This is called the rotation or spinning movement. Planets also spin like top. It takes 24 hours for our Earth to spin once. The sun appears to move across the sky, but the Earth is moving. But actually the Earth is moving, not the sun. We think that it's general opinion that sun is moving from east to west because it's appeared that sun is moving, but actually our Earth is moving, not the sun. And the next question that sometimes it comes to our mind is, why does it go dark at night? Here's the answer to this question. You discussed on page number 44. The Earth goes dark at night because the Earth spins away from the sun's light. In the diagram, the sun is shining on one side of the Earth. That side has day. As you see, the Earth is spinning also around its axis. The part that is face the sun, is having the daytime, and the other part that is away from the sunlight, there is night. The other side is facing away from the sun, so it is dark. That side has night, as you see in the diagram. Why is there life on Earth and not on other planets? There are main reason is that Earth having all the necessities of life, like its moderate temperature, it having the moderate temperature. There are several reasons for this. Some planets are too hot, and that if there is water on these planets, the water turns into gas because of heat. So that's why there is no life. And some planets are too hot, that if water exists on, some planets are too cold, that if water is on them, it will change into ice. So planets and animals always need water. Our Earth has lots of water. It is not too hot, not too cold because of its moderate temperature. So it is just right for life. That's why Earth is the only planet that is suitable for the life. So after reading this, you make the video of your reading. But when you are reading, you must focus on your pronunciation as well as your accent. If there is a question, you speak like a question, like, why does it go dark at night? And if it is a simple sentence, so you say like a sentence. Okay, now come on the next comprehension. The first exercise is circle the correct word. You have to find out which is the correct option. Like the text is dash. Is it true or is it made up? Yes, it's a true. So it is a fiction or non-fiction. As I have told you that fiction is a unreal story and non-fiction is a real story. So this is a non-fiction text. It answers dash about the universe. It answers questions about the universe. Its purpose is to give instruction or explanation. It's explanation. It is organized in paragraph or bullets point. It is in paragraphs, as you see in the lesson. Now circle the word in the text. Use your mini dictionary to write their meanings. Collection, orbit, position, and reflect. Students, you have to find out these answers from your mini dictionary. It is also present in the end of your book. or you can also use if you have a pocket dictionary. Then there is a blanks. Complete the sentence with a word from the keyword box. Dash is a collection of stars, as we read in the lesson that galaxies are huge collections of stars. So all the information you have already read, so you can easily complete these blanks. Dash is a ball of rock or gas. Obviously it's a planet. Dash is everything there is. First definition, universe. It is a universe. Dash is a planet where plants and animals live. In the last question we have read that the earth is only the planet on which plant and animals live. Dash is a ball of burning gas. So it is, you have to write down it after reading this. Match the question with the answer. Write it on your notebook. First you have to match the question with its right answer. Okay, so this is your today's task. That's it. After completing your work, share your work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.